Welcome back, J Crew. Today we're gonna start on the car. If you see this video probably gonna be like probably a week or 2 weeks late because I had to upload another video of me putting the engine in the car. So this video right here is gonna be like late, so don't worry. But today we're just gonna put like the maintenance stuff, like the the radiator, the condenser on, and get everything tightened up. And I still have to find a bolt for the transmission thing. I'm gonna have to get transmission fluid. I'm gonna have to get power steering fluid, and I'm gonna have to look over everything, make sure everything is buttoned up. So let's get into this video. But I am very excited. The radio works. So yeah, that's all I want to show you. And I see a bumper that I'm going to get from this Savage yard called Glicks, which is in Northport. It's the same color as the car, so it's $45. I'm going to get that, and we're going to have a bumper for the rear of this car. All right, so that's that for the radiator, and I got to do like got coolant in it. So next up is hooking this line up right here, AC line, and then power steering, and then some more transmission fluid, and that's about it. So it's gonna be like a quick video on this one. So I just got to put the front end back on and stuff like that. I'm not too worried about the AC right now because December and it's chilly. It's chilly in Florida. So, well, I wouldn't say chilly. It's cold. It gotten cold in the morning. It's like 40 something degrees. So Oh, and I'm gonna have to get black tape to put on the starter wire. And next is ordering the exhaust. So let's put the front end on this car, and let's finish up little tingling things. Like I said, quick video. She's on. The color is like a little off, so I'm trying to figure out if I should just get the whole car repainted or just keep it like how it is. It's not a really big deal, so maybe I'll just keep it like that. But so guys, if you guys like the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below and tell me what you think. Thanks for watching.